Myself Yashoda, the assistant teacher of the school.
Myself Suraj, I am a science faculty.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರುದ್ರೇಶ ಸಿಎಲ್. ನಾನು ಗುರುಕುಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am Sandhya, science educator.
Hi, मैं हूँ निर्मला. I am working as a Hindi teacher.
I am Nagaratna H. I am an English educator.
My name is C.R. Dhananjay, mathematics teacher.
So where the children can have the silence to get the good education and the calm nature, and the atmosphere is also very good. And the infrastructure is also very good.
ಗುರುಕುಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಶಾಂತವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಿನಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ.
Here we are going to provide them a well facilitated lab based education, so practical based teaching.
According to National Education Policy, in upcoming years, we are introducing a new method of teaching is a Pinnacle. Pinnacle is the latest version of curriculum learning. Pinnacle is based on audio-visual learning, and it will helpful for the students to learn the concept easily.
The part of English language and communication, we are providing more opportunities for the children by giving them English communication classes twice a week. Those classes will help the students to express themselves by using the language and doing more language activities.
So, and it also develop the scientific skills and create the interest and curiosity. So, this method of teaching is very helpful for the students.
When it comes to our school, students who get into our school will never be afraid of mathematics, because from the day one of their joining, we take extra classes after the school hours, where we can make them understand the mathematics from the basic, and we making them good at simplifications, which enables them to understand the mathematics all by themselves.
We engage them in the practical based involvement, activity based learning according to the CBSE board.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೇವಲ ಬೋಧನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೋಧನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಸಮಯ ಪಾಲನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
If students go by logical methods and understand the major factors of mathematics, then no one doesn't need to afraid of mathematics.
Engage the students in teaching learning methodology in the classrooms, especially for around 20 to 30 minutes, and remaining activity based learning.
इन आवर स्कूल हिंदी के लिए बहुत प्रेफरेंस दिया है. हमारा मैनेजमेंट में भी सपोर्ट किया है, क्योंकि हिंदी पीरियड बच्चों के साथ सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करना, क्योंकि उसका हिंदी का कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होता है, इसीलिए मैनेजमेंट ने भी बहुत ही सपोर्ट किया है. हम लोग कुछ भी पूछेंगे तो लर्निंग के लिए में कोई थिंग्स मटेरियल्स चाहिए तो वो हमारा मैनेजमेंट हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
The management is also giving us the support. I mean, they are giving their hard work day and night to give the best facilities for the children as well as for the teachers also.
I am thankful to management and principal. It's very supportive in each and every step.
The management of our school has provided all the students lab facilities with all the things for them to learn mathematics logically and practically.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.